going to demonstrate for you a tempo progression. One of the tempos I have written down, make sure it's correct, it's a 3, 1, X, 1. Now all that means, the 3 is how many seconds you take to lower. The 1 is the pause, and obviously I'm showing you with a push-up. So you pause for 1 second. The X means you explode back up, and the 1 is just how long you rest in the top position. So 3, 1, X, 1. I'll show you what that means. The 3 is the lowering portion, so you take 3 seconds to lower. 1, 2, 3. Pause for a second, explode up, and then repeat. Now the point of the tempo, lowering, when you make the lowering slower, and then especially when you add the pause in the bottom, that immediately makes it much more challenging. So for example, if we went from taking 3 seconds to lower, pausing for 1 second in the bottom, and then coming back up, if we change that to taking 4 seconds to lower and 2 seconds in the bottom, that's automatically going to make it a lot more challenging. So here's the 4, 2, taking 4 to lower, pausing for 2 in the bottom. So you lower for 4 seconds instead of 3 this time. Pause for 2, then come back up. So anytime you manipulate the tempo like that on any exercise, whether it's your squats, your push-ups, your pull-ups, your inverted rows, anytime you make the lowering phase take longer, and especially when you stop before you come back up, like if you're doing a single leg squat, if you take 4 seconds to lower, and then you pause for 2 seconds, and then come back up, that completely takes away any momentum you had, and that makes it much more challenging. So that's how you do those tempo progressions.